Hi, in this video, we'll be learning how to solve a basic linear equation. When asked to solve an equation, we want to know what value can take the place of x and to make the equation true. You've probably learned that when evaluating an expression, we use the order of operations PEMDAS, meaning we start with parentheses, move on to exponents followed by multiplication or division, then finally addition or subtraction. However, when solving an equation, we have to work backwards to figure out the value of x. This means that instead of using PEMDAS, we're going to flip this order and use SADMEP to try to get our x alone on one side of the equation. When we look at SADMEP, notice that subtraction or addition now comes first. This means we have to look for subtraction or addition on the side of the equation with our x and complete the inverse or opposite operation to get one step closer to getting x alone. Since 5 is added on the side of the equation with our x, we need to subtract it. And whatever we do to one side of the equation, we must do to the other side. We get that 2x is equal to 10. Now, continuing to use SADMEP as our order to solve, we see that division or multiplication comes next. When we see a number next to a variable, there is a hidden multiplication sign between the two. So in order to get x alone, we need to complete the inverse or opposite operation once again and divide by 2. Since we divided the left side of the equation by 2, we must do the same to the right side. And we get that x is equal to 5. Now that x is alone on one side of the equation, we know that 5 is the value that can take the place of x in order to make our equation true.